Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Open the trunk. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it, turning the nut anti-clockwise. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Put the electric connector back into the headlight. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it but being careful not to force too much. Screw the butterfly valve back in and fix it by hand. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.